Have you ever wondered if saving money could actually be making you poorer? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? But before you start shaking your head dismissively, stick around. You might just find a new perspective on your financial strategy. Picture this. You've got a jar of pennies. Every day, you diligently add another penny to the jar. Day by day, the jar fills up, and you feel a sense of accomplishment. Your savings are growing, right? But here's the catch. While your jar of pennies is growing by mere cents each day, inflation is out there, silently eroding the value of your hard-earned savings. In other words, the purchasing power of your pennies is decreasing over time. Think of it like a race where you're on a treadmill and the finish line is constantly moving further away. You're running, you're sweating, but are you really getting anywhere? That's the paradox of saving money in a nutshell. Now, let's consider another scenario. Imagine you've got a handful of seeds. Instead of storing them away in a jar, you plant them in a garden. Over time, with a bit of care and patience, those seeds sprout into plants, bearing fruits and multiplying themselves. This is what we call investing. You're putting your money to work, letting it grow and multiply. So, what's the takeaway from these examples? The key point here is that, while saving money is essential, it's not the ultimate goal. If you're saving for the sake of saving, your money is losing its value over time due to inflation. And that's how saving money can paradoxically make you poorer. On the other hand, investing your money, be it in stocks, real estate, or even your own business, can yield returns that outpace inflation. It's like turning your pennies into seeds and planting them in a fruitful garden. To wrap things up, it's crucial to remember that money is a tool. It's not something to hoard in a jar or under a mattress. It's something to be used, to be invested, to work for you. So, the next time you pocket your paycheck, ask yourself, am I adding another penny to the jar, or am I planting a seed for the future? In the grand scheme of things, it's not about how much money you save, but how well you use the money you have. And that, my friend, is the secret to growing wealth. Tune in next time for more insights into the world of finance. Until then, keep those pennies working and remember, it's not about saving, it's about growing.